We're standing next to the Founders Field, and it's part of our whole family farm where Bob and Stan and I all grew up.
My father, Gary Vermeer, had a real appreciation for work and wanted us to have that same appreciation. So I remember helping in the fields with planting beans, planting corn.
I also remember helping paint the barns. Unfortunately, I didn't get the best job. I had to scrape all the old paint off, where my brother Stan got to do the painting.
At that time, this was a farm with cattle, pigs, chickens, and we basically had to feed those morning and evening.
Special memories of growing up in a wholesome place where we had jobs to do and we had a great environment to live in.
I think I remember early Dad talking about the large round hay baler and also working with one of his key engineers, Arnie Mathis.
Having Dad talk about this new idea of a machine that would roll a big round bale, which would weigh about a ton.
And I remember how excited Dad was when they started taking these balers to the field, and there would be hundreds of people coming out to see this new large hay baler.
It's pretty exciting that now we're really dedicating these fields to testing and to helping develop new equipment.
I really believe that Vermeer Corp has a very exciting future. I think we have a group of shareholders that are very dedicated to Vermeer.
And I think that's a really opportunity for us to maintain the connection with the farm, very close to our manufacturing facility. And now Mindy Vandenbosch, as a third-generation member, is involved in working with our great dealer organization and continuing to help it be the best it can be, as well as working with the team to figure out how to best use these fields for our future.